What is up, my people? Today's video is a little nerve-wracking for me, but exciting as well. Today I'm going to be taking you on my hair journey from this to this. Oh yeah, that's right. I am going from brown to blue. And I know exactly what you guys are thinking. Cue the music. I'm blue, So what I'm going to be using on my hair today is by Splat. It looks like this. The color is called Midnight Indigo, and it is vegan and cruelty-free, of course. Hallelujah. Thank you, Splat, for that. Splat is sponsoring this video, so thank you so much. And yeah, I'm just going to show you how to dye your hair at home. I'm going to show you what this comes with, and then later on, once my hair is dyed, I'm going to be showing you guys a festival-inspired hairstyle. Even though I absolutely suck at hair, there's a reason I do not do hair tutorials on this channel, because your girl is a amateur. So if you are like me and you're just not that great with hair, hopefully this hairstyle will be something that you can do. Trust me, if I can do it, you can do it. And yeah, we're gonna see how that goes. So let's just rock and roll right into it. So what you're gonna need to dye your hair at home is obviously the hair dye of your choice, which I got Midnight Indigo because it also comes with a little bottle to store your unused hair dye if you have any left over. And then it also comes with gloves, which you will definitely need, otherwise you will stain your hands. Aside from that, all you need is a dirty towel that you don't, not dirty towel, you want a clean towel, but one that you don't care about getting dirty is what I meant. And then it doesn't come with a bowl or a brush, which is not necessary because you can just go straight from the bottle. But I just got an old, Tupperware, and I don't have like a hairbrush from like Sally's. But if you have one of those, definitely use that. But for us simple folk, just make do with what you got. Then it's also handy to have some clips to section off your hair so that way you can, stay organized. I'm actually pretty nervous right now because I've never dyed my hair on my own, so this is gonna be an experience. Also make sure that you have a towel that you do not care about underneath you in case some hair dye drops on the floor. You do not want to stain your carpet because your mama will slap you. So, next thing to do is to section off the hair. Just go like that. You just want to get like the bottom half of your hair, obviously. I'm also going to clip my bangs up because I just don't want those in the way right now. I'm gonna give myself a nice little comb over. Why am I talking with a country accent? I need to stop right now. Let's do it. Handy dandy gloves. I've always wanted to do this. Okay, it didn't work. Hold on. Am I really doing this right now? Okay, so update, this is a lot harder than I thought it was gonna be. So, this is the midway mark. I got the whole bottom section. Again, I really hope that it's saturated. It's kind of hard to tell with these gloves on. Yeah, I'm about to take the top section down. I'm probably gonna section it off one more time, so I need to put this glove back on somehow. Not like it's doing anything. Do I have any idea what I'm doing? Nope. I have a feeling the back is gonna look a little botched, but you know what? It's just hair, y'all. It's just hair. It's going to wash out in 30 washes, okay? You really want to like squeeze it in between your fingers and kind of go back and forth like that, so make sure you're getting every strand, because you do not want it to come out, splotchy. And mine's probably going to come out splotchy as hell, but it's my first time, okay? bed. Now I'm going to throw it up, and it says on the box to wait about 30 to 60 minutes, and if you have thick hair, to wait an extra 15 minutes. But this has been in my hair for already like 2 or 3 hours because that's how long it's taken me to do it. So I'm just gonna leave it in for about 30 more minutes and then wash it out, and I'll show you the final result. So this is the finished result. It definitely came out a little bit darker than what I was expecting. I was definitely in shock, but I am in love. I think it is the perfect blue-black color. I am loving the darker vibes right now. I feel like a vixen. I love this indigo color, plus Splat has so many different other colors to choose from, plus they're cruelty-free and vegan, and that is an absolute must for me. My hair honestly feels much softer after I dyed it than before, which is crazy. Now that my hair is dyed a funky color, I'm going to show you guys my go-to festival hairstyle because, like I said, I suck at hair, and this is just my go-to because it's super quick. I think it's cute. It gets your hair out of your face. It's just the typical space buns. I know, nothing revolutionary, but I think adding little jewels to it, which is what I have here, makes it, you know, that much cuter. So what you're just gonna do is you're gonna split your hair down, you know, the middle, and then you're just going to take your hair, put them up like this, like so. I'm gonna leave my friends down for this. Obviously, if you don't have bangs, then you would just do all your hair. And what you're gonna do is you're just gonna take it and then turn it. And it's much easier to do this when you do have curls because it adds that extra volume. But if your hair is straight, then just kind of tease it and you should be able to get the volume. So then, yeah, you're pretty much just going to do that. Secure with an elastic like so. And then there is your space bun. And then if you have any pieces that are sticking out, bobby pins are your best friend. Actually, that one turned out pretty good, which doesn't normally happen. So let's see if we can get the other one to look like that one. Pull a little bit of pieces down so you can frame your face, which is what I like to do. And if they don't look completely even, that's just when you're gonna have to play around with them. Usually they're not gonna come out completely even unless you're like, I don't know, some kind of perfect robot that can do things perfectly the first time, which is not me. So if you have hair sticking out, bobby pins is where that comes in, and you're just going to bobby pin it in place. And it's okay if these do not look perfect. The more irregular they look, the more like, you know, messy and kind of, that's kind of how they're supposed to be. This is a festival, nothing's supposed to look perfect. So then the last finishing touch that I like to do is to add some little jewels. I just think it adds to it. I recommend getting some that already have the sticky adhesive on and then just kind of pop them on. So I'm not going to finish my whole bun because I'm not actually going to a festival tonight, so I don't need to waste any more of my little jewels, but you get the idea. I think it looks super cute, and to add to the overall festival theme, I'm going to do a little star right under my eye, right there, and these are blue little stars. You guys can get stickers from anywhere, you know, like Michael's or any kind of craft store that you guys got, and just like that. Now you are festival ready, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this hair transformation slash festival hairstyle tutorial. Even though I suck at hair, I'm kind of proud of this, honestly. Thank you again to Splat for sponsoring this video and gifting me that beautiful hair dye. I love my new blue hair. I feel like a freaking fox. Splat is available at Walmart, Target, Walgreens, CVS, Rite Aid, Ulta, and online. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY hair tutorial, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Mwah!